Greetings people. My name is Phalela, situated here in Polar Park, Thokoza Station 5. Yeah, I'm here as a part of leadership of Mhlongo View Development, which is situated here in Polar Park, in which most of them know it as Mhlongo. Greatly as we are here today, it is a shiny day, nice day being here. Yeah, everything is on point. By the looks of things, the question is why I'm here. Why I'm here speaking with you people. We are here in a matter which we have, and it is rising, we can say, nationally here in South Africa, as I'm situated in South Africa. Unemployment rate, worse in most of us as youth. As here, we're newly starting a new year. Yeah, with 3 things ahead, but we figured out to start with a new thing, in which to commence with most of us as youth here in this situation, trying to eradicate the number which is rising daily, day out, of unemployment rate. We're here, as you can see at my background view, I can say my fellow groups and my fellow brothers and sisters as part of our youth. We're here to type mostly CVs of our youth to pace in a matter of how to eradicate this matter of unemployment, and also make sure that we form a formidable front to eradicate the matter of unemployment in an extent major, to show them the path where to take their CVs after we're done with them. But so on as we are here doing CVs, we're also here in a gathering to grow ourselves. In growing of ourselves, by making sure that we meet up here day in, day out. Making sure that we are meeting with something which is really vivid in our eyes as we see. Trying to grow ourselves as we are having many factors, but now we'll just take a look on one factor, unemployment rate, in which it is a cause of all factors. Because the moment there's an unemployment rate, it is started having a causes of crimes and many of things that do follows after crime. As we can say, I can elaborate 2 or 3. Pregnancy and alcohol abuse and drug abuse, in which also grow a page on heading to crime, in which it is mostly what we all do hate. But now as we are here today, I won't just focus on one thing, but I'll head on another. We have many factors which do keep us not going forward but heading backwards. We don't talk about the factors that are hitting us as youth. We don't come forward or meeting as a youth grouping like this. Yeah, we tend to meet in the corners of tavern and talking about things which they don't promise. But here we are today, having these such a nice things at my back. It gives us more power and more eligibility and more motivation on how to grow and how to rise, as it is like this. But the looking of things as they are. I'm grateful looking at the number of these youth gathered here and most of people sharing information. As we know, by having this kind of initiative, it grows a line that enough is enough. We want to start a new page. We want to start a new ledger with a new page, with a new weight on it on top. The fighting of unemployment rate, in which that will give us an aim to fight most of things as a youth, in which we are here as volunteers, volunteering for our own self, in our own behalf, in urging more that our community can see us through what we are fighting. Because we are fighting this thing which is killing us daily, day out. As you can see, I think I've talked a lot about much of things. But as this is part of our initiative, we're willing to come up with more. We're willing to engage in more terms with other people too. By doing this, we're also calling out most of people to come forward, to bring in some kind of information forward. We can also leave my email address and contact and where to find me, in which it will be a nice thing for them to link up with me so that we can engage in more things, and also actually to have more information about this thing which already started. Because we can see we've started a new things. new thing in which, yeah, it calls for new things. Thank you.